So welcome to the Rijul show episode number 3 guys, and today I have Sai who is pursuing Masters of Data Science in University of Memphis. So पहले वो इंडिया में थे and then he like worked there for 4 to 5 years and then he came to University of Memphis. He has a lot of knowledge into data science field. उनसे बात करते हैं, जानते हैं कि University of Memphis का जो data science का प्रोग्राम है वो एक्चुअली में कैसा है एंड क्यों किसी को वहाँ पे जाना चाहिए, व्हाट आर द फ्यूचर स्कोप ऑफ डेटा साइंस एंड मैं इसका जो Spotify लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा, आप जाके सुन सकते हो अगर आपको वीडियो नहीं देखनी है तो. And let's get started. Hi Sai, welcome to the Rijul show episode number 4 and I'm really glad you're here. So thank you for taking out your time. And I know you from LinkedIn, but like many of my audience doesn't, so it would be great if you can give an introduction about yourself.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you for inviting me, Rijul. This is a great platform to explore and like give details to others so that everyone can know that. So basically coming to my experience, actually I have a 5 years of experience in software industry. So I work with multiple technologies like .NET, Angular, React. So I worked as a full stack developer in India from 2016 to 2021. So then I was interested in probability, statistics and data science. So I choose the data science career now, and currently I'm doing my master's in data science at the University of Memphis. So I have joined this college last fall 2021. So I'm in the second semester of this my master's program.
Okay, great. And like coming to your profile, like when you were applying to University of Memphis, so what was your profile, like GRE, IELTS or like TOEFL score?
Yeah, so I took the GRE and IELTS, but my University of Memphis, like this time due to COVID, they waived off the GRE.
Oh, that's great.
So I got 7 as my IELTS score and 3.6 as the GRE. But I think they have not considered my GRE, just they taken the IELTS as a consideration.
Got it. And you give GRE only one time, right?
Yeah, I took only once.
I gave it 4 times, so that's why I was saying.
Yeah, it happens. And sorry for that, like actually way back in 2016, I gave once, like 2016 after completing my graduation. Like I want to come to US at that time, but I stepped back. Like I want to get some experience in the software industry. So I took IELTS once at that time. I got 6.5. Now after 5 years, I took again. So I got 7.
That's great. Very great. Yeah. And like let's talk about like data science in this podcast, because I think a lot of people actually don't know what data science is. Everybody's like trying to get into data science, but they are not knowing what exactly it is. So you're studying MS in data science from University of Memphis. So let us talk about that. Like how is the program structure? Do you like it? And other opportunities in the program?
Yeah, so in coming to my college, so the program for data science, it's very good organized and it's very good. It helps us a lot because they concentrate on all the things like data science in the sense. So in the real, so currently what are the situations we are facing in our daily life? It helps us to solve all these problems using the data science. So the college has clearly mentioned every curriculum, and it helps us to gain the momentum and the knowledge required for the data science. So coming to opportunities in the data science, I think there are lots of opportunities. The thing is, we need to perform better from our side, because I read an article that there are 200% hike in the data scientist jobs, and also because all the things we are around us are related to all the data science. All the problems are being solved by the data science, and also this career is like, so suppose you are interested in some sort of thing. Those are all related to data science. If you are interested in that, then you can from there and you can work the problem, you can solve that. So it's a very good career.
Okay. And like when you were applying to the MS data science program, so like did you apply to all colleges, or like how many admits and rejects did you have at that time?
Basically, like I applied for only 2 colleges because I decided very late to come to US. So basically, like I started my application process in the March.
That's very, very late.
So like, yeah, very late. Like I was actually, the thing is like I applied to some of the companies in the India. I thought I should go this way or that way. Then I was thinking, okay, let me go this way. So
you were
then I
thinking
decided
that
very
I
late.
should work in India and then transfer to the US. I think that would have been an easy option.
Yeah. So, but basically, I thought maybe coming to the MS, maybe doing some real-time project in data science, that helps, because I have experience in the software as a full stack developer, not in the data science career. So maybe coming here and experiencing some sort of new knowledge from the college, because our Indian education is different and here is too different. So I thought that would help. So I came very late and decided on that, and then I applied for 2 colleges. So University of Texas and this college. So both I got. Then I choose this college because basically here, like, we will get some graduate assistantship or teaching assistantships. Basically, like, so we will get some exposure working under professor, like we'll gain some knowledge.
Got it.
So I came in that track, but in first semester I didn't get any the opportunities, but this semester I got 2 opportunities. So like currently I have 2 opportunities. Like I'm working as a teaching assistant to teach managing software development course for undergrads, and so currently another opportunity is like I'm working under artificial intelligence professor, working research on probabilistic programming.
Got it. Okay, so like shifting that from focus to data science. So why did you choose data science? Was there a specific course you took or any internship which like really intrigued you and that, hey, I should go into data science? So what was the factor of going into data science?
Basically, like I was very good at probability and statistics. I liked very much in that. But like when I was working in the company, like after 2 years or something, I heard about data science and read about this. Previously, I was not knowing about this. Then I read articles and I keep on searching what is it, like how it, because so these are all data science is all about solving the real problems with less time and using the algorithm. So these algorithms, like it will get a chance you to develop the new sort of algorithms where you can solve the problems. So it gives kind of a thing like to express your knowledge in the algorithms and solve the problems, because we will be interested, because if we there are a lot of things in the world. So like some people will be working very hard and some people will be we want to work for that, because they don't have other way, so they will be working. They will not be interested in that, but they have to work for that. But this data science is like, so you will be really interested in that, and it will take you from one level to other level where you will be working hard automatically, because these are like real world problems where you will just take that and go from there.
Got it. I think that's a really good point. And you also told me that you are working as a graduate assistant or research.
Yeah, graduate research assistant.
Okay, and like, so how does that work? If any student coming to the US has to apply to that, so can they do it before coming to US or like after they land?
So they can do it before coming here as well. Whenever they have been accepted by the college, they can reach out to the professors. Like they can just send an email to all the professors saying that these are the things I have. I'm looking for any of the things available under you. Maybe they can just go to the professor's site and check what are the research interests. If this aligns closely to them, then they can apply and professor will accept that and will give an offer.
Got it. I'm asking this because basically, like mine is a MDS program, Master of Data Science. So we are not technically allowed to do that. So we can't do TNRA in our program because it's a professional degree.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So basically it differs from college and it depends on their curriculum as well. And also like the students who are coming new, they will be having a more chance than the people currently in the college, because they will be preferring the people who will be long time. Like, so the persons are coming new, they have 2 years of time. Once, suppose if I'm in the college, I completed my 1 semester, then there will be only 1.5 years to work under the professor. So they would be preferring the new candidates.
Got it. And like, how is the course structure at University of Memphis if any students want to go and study MS Data Science here? So how is the course curriculum and structure? Like, do you like it?
Yeah, I like it very much. So basically, like when I joined, it was not a STEM program. Like we realized that late, but before 10 days, it converted to STEM program. So there is no need of it.
Great,
Yeah, so no problem. And coming to the curriculum, so like they designed very well. So we have so coming to there is information web retrieval, natural language processing, artificial intelligence, fundamentals of data science, database system, advanced stats learning 1, stats learning 2. So it covers all the topics, like what are the things so under data science there are so many things are there. So all the child groups are involved in that, so that we can complete that, and you learn everything. And also the master program is very well designed here, so they will give you assignments and they'll ask you to do the project, so you'll get a real like you get a feel of working in the company. Like already we'll be having a lot of things in the web, you can search and you can browse and you can just directly implement that using some of the algorithms, and it's a very good, really very good program.
Got it. And like, does the program offer scholarships? Because our program doesn't offer.
Yeah, our college offers. So like there are two kinds of criteria are there. So one is like if so you are an international student, if you get a GRE score of 310, you will be automatically selected once you apply. And if you are not writing GRE and you have a good academic score of your undergrad, if so we need to convert that undergrad score into the equivalent of US 4. So you get some 3.25, you will be automatically eligible for that. And so they will be offering is like 1800 scholarship per semester. Basically how it works is like, so you will be taking 3 subjects, so per subject they will be offering 300 scholarships, so 600 into 3 is 1800. And basically the fees is like here for per subject we have 3 credits, so for subject it will be $3,022.
So like, how was the total fee of the program? Like, how much was the I-20 amount?
Yeah, I-20 amount was like 24,000, but
so that's for 1 year.
Normally we don't. For a year. But basically, like, so how in the year it is like 11 subjects. Each subject is 3 credits, so 33 credits you need to complete to be a graduate. So for each subject it's like 3,000. 3,000 into 11, 33,000 for your college. And also here we need to take the insurance, but that is like up to you. Like you can opt from college or you can take it outside insurance as well. It's directly linked to the college.
Got it.
So that's an extra cost other than the subject.
And then now let us talk about when you were applying to the US for masters. Like, did you face any issues, or what was the struggle part which you like got that, hey, this is like very much when I'm applying to the US? Did you struggle in any part of the application process, or like was it easy?
I think basically it is somewhat tough, but the thing is like there are a lot of people around me who helped me, that they are already new. So I didn't face any of the challenges because I haven't. So during the shortlisting of colleges also they have helped me. Like I talked with the seniors, and so due to that phase, I think I haven't faced any problem. And also I have some sort of experience, so if I face any problem I can browse on that. So I think I haven't faced any of them.
Got it. And like, how do you shortlist universities? Do you go only for the ranking, the location, or do you see at the curriculum?
Actually, basically, like I saw the curriculum as well as I was considering the 2 scenarios. One is the curriculum, and other thing is any of the GA positions, graduate, because they'll be funding us, and also we will be getting an opportunity to work on the professor. Like we can explore the things which helps in our career as well. So these 2 things I was focusing on that, and I applied like based on that. And also I have very less opportunities at the time because I was applying very late in the March.
I think you still managed to get into 2 very good programs even after starting late. So like, congratulations on that.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And like, when you continue.
Go on.
When you came to the US, because you are from India, right? And when any Indian comes to the US, there is some cultural shock which they face. Like suddenly everything is happening so fast, so like people don't talk much here. It's very professional. Did you find any cultural shock when you landed in the US?
I think no. Basically here there are a lot of Indian people are there, and that too they are from our state. Telugu people are there, a lot of. So we don't face any difficulties. Like because when we came, like there are I think 100 or 150 people came to the college, and those all are the Telugu state, Andhra and Telangana people, lot of them. So we don't have any problem on that side.
Got it. And how much is the batch size of the MSTS program? Because ours is only 25 people, because it's a first batch, so it's very, very small, and like 25 people done.
Yeah, same here as well. I think for us also it's 25 people.
Okay.
It started like in spring 2021, but there was only 1 student for that class. Now for our fall 2021, there was 25 people, and current spring 2022, like there are some 25 new people came. So totally we are 55 people are there in the curriculum currently.
Got it. And like, do you like the curriculum here?
Yeah.
Like, is it what interests you? Because the only con of UCI is that you cannot choose the courses you want to. Like, it's a great program. The courses are very good, but we cannot choose what we want to study in the first 2 quarters. So I think that's the only con which I could see. Do you face the same issue?
Basically, like I didn't face the issue because this is so our college just started newly and they know, right, so to open which subjects, so they are opening in from basics to intermediate. So they open first consider for us, they open fundamentals of data science, advanced statistical learning 1, database system and information retrieval. So they open the basics because we are the first batch, we don't face any difficulties. Maybe from next batch they face currently. So I tell the scenario, so for the spring 2022 who came new, they are facing bit difficult, like, because there is no information web retrieval, they have to take the NLP, natural language processing. So it would be very tough. So at least you need to have some sort of knowledge in information retrieval to understand the natural language processing. So that would be very tough. Yeah. So like, so this US curriculum is like that. So you will be facing at least some sort of difficulty in choosing 1 or 2 subjects.
Got it.
Because they will not be opening all the subjects at a time.
And like, you are still, are you looking for internship right now in data science?
Yeah. Yes, I'm applying. Currently, I'm applying, but I heard from 2 companies. So I think one is Capital One. I think I need to take the assessment test. Maybe I'm planning to take next week, and also Walmart. Walmart and JP Morgan as well. So I need to take that test.
That's great.
Still, I'm looking. Yeah. So I'm applying for all the things. I think basically we are international students, some of the applications are getting rejected in the initial process
because they don't sponsor.
We apply. Yeah, they don't sponsor. So due to that, but I'm happy now. I'm getting some calls from last 2 weeks. Like since I applied started from 3 months. I think I applied for almost 700 companies. I think I haven't heard some. So the common message I receive is
automated one.
You are a great, you are a good candidate, but someone candidacy is very good. So it's automatic message. Where so often daily see in my inbox.
I think that is the rate because I myself have applied 400 to 500 companies and I only received like only one call, which I'm hoping that they would go forward with me. But like, let's see, because it's very, very tough to get an internship, especially in the data science field because they require experience.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
For the SD, you can generally apply.
For the interview. Yeah.
Because a lot of my CS friends are getting internship in SD, even if they have experience and even if they don't. And data science people, they require you to have like 1 to 2 years at least.
Yes, exactly. So basically, like they are expecting the data science career here is like how we do in India. So they offer the like after college we apply for jobs. They see that you need some sort of experience. That doesn't make any sense. They are asking for a
fresher position,
just starting
with experience.
They ask for experience. Same. I'm thinking like here also it's like that for data science, but I'm hoping it will change. Maybe due to sponsorship they are not calling us.
I think this is due to the post-COVID area because a lot of companies were hit financially and they cannot sponsor. I think we are stuck in the post-COVID, not actually COVID after that. Maybe like we build some sort of projects in our resume, then it could be a good ideal match. They can call us. I think maybe at least building some 2 to 3 good projects in data science would help us. And like talking about resume, how do you make a data science specific resume? Like, do you include any skills particularly for that?
Yes, actually we need to include that because nowadays using the data science they are filtering out like they have the resume parser. Without that, because they want when I see all the jobs to describe about all the companies what they are looking at, is like at least they need something in Python. Some companies they need C++, some companies Scala, and these are the common things they ask, and SQL is the one mandatory thing, and other things are some. So all the Python libraries they are asking. So I think we need to have in all these things. Otherwise, I think they are not considering based on my experience what I have seen till date. But need to understand how they are going exactly. But I think we need to have some sort of skills related to data science. So all the skills.
Like when we were coming to the US, did you take any consultancy for applying or did you apply on your own?
Yeah, like I took the help of consultancy. So I took the help of I-20 Fever from Hyderabad. So they helped me a lot. So they applied me all the things and they took the process and it went very
Okay,
well.
so like, do you recommend consultancies? Because I actually took two, and like I like very bad experience because they didn't even help me. So I personally won't prefer, but like, what's your view on this?
Yeah, I think most of the people face the problem, but in my perspective, like I was clear on what I want. I mentioned to them because I know like how to because I have some sort of experience how to deal with the people. I was aware of that, so I told clearly my concerns and what I need to get it. So they applied very well, and I haven't faced any issues. So like how the people will be doing is like, okay, I want to apply these colleges, and you will be sending all the details to them, but they'll be ignoring that, and they'll take time because a lot of people will be there. But in my case, I went in the consultancy and said there I need to complete my process, then only I leave from the office. So I have done that process, and within 2 hours of time they applied to 2 colleges and it's completed. So like we shouldn't ignore that, like, okay, they will take care, we have paid the money. You should not be like that. You have to go to the office and sit in front of them and ask them to apply in front of you only. Then only you should accept that consultants, and then you should start applying. Otherwise there is no it doesn't make any sense. Like they'll be applying, but they'll take time of 5 or 10 days because a lot of people in the loop.
Got it. Yeah, so you just have to like force into them, like make them do it.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. You need to sit in front of them, and once they apply, then only you should leave from that place.
Got it. And like talking about the University of Memphis Msts program, how is the placement criteria? Like, is this the first batch you're into, or like the second or third batch?
Yeah, I'm in second batch. So currently, spring 2022 is considering as the third batch.
And it's a 2-year program.
Yeah, 2-year program.
Got it.
Yes,
Mine is
exactly.
only 15 months. So this December, I'm graduating.
Oh, December graduating.
Yeah.
Okay, like how many subjects do you have in your college?
I joined in September. So it's a quarter system, three subjects in each quarter. And the last quarter is like pretty much chill. But like ours program is like very difficult because like for example, you want to study history or studying economics because they want you to study economics. I think that is what is happening here. And till June we have to study, then 3 months internship, and the last one is like just a capstone project and you're done.
Okay. Yeah, same here as well. Like I think we need to take 3 subjects. I think it's a 2-year program, and last semester we need to do 1 project.
Got it.
Like 11 subject is considered as a project. We need to do under the professor.
Got it. And yours is a semester system, right?
Yeah, semester. So it's like August to December, and again January to May. Again there is a summer break. If you wish to do in the summer, you can do from June to I think August. Then again it starts August to December.
Got it. Like ours is a quarter system, so you can imagine like we're doing 6 months into 3 months, so it's very hectic.
Yeah, very tough. Yeah, a lot of assignments, and we need to handle all those things.
Assignments, internship, making your like I don't make my own food because I took a meal plan here, and I just go out and eat. So I think that is sorted.
Yeah, even I am also facing the same issue. Like if you want to concentrate on that, then you can't do all the things at a time. You need to sacrifice one thing.
And like how much is the cost of living in Memphis? Like mine is like I'm living with 4 people right now, and I'm in my private like we have a 3 BHK, and I have my private room, so it's $1,040,000 per month. That's only for the room, plus electricity bill, water, and like supplies, so it's come around $1,300 per month for me. How much is yours?
Okay, so here in Memphis it's very less compared to other cities. So we live in 2 bed 2 bath. We are paying $930.
Okay.
So like we are people staying, so it's like $460 per person per month. That is only that, and electricity is like we do get $120 per month, like 60 split off.
So basically you're done in $600 to maximum $700.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Got it. I think California is like very expensive than that, and if you are in New York, I think New York is the most expensive city right now. It's on number 1.
Yes. And Memphis is, I think, it's very considered very less in compared to all the states. It's very affordable here in Memphis.
So like, what are your internship strategies when you're applying to? I just wanted to ask that, like, what are your internship strategies? Do you go to LinkedIn and apply, or do you reach out to people, say that, hey, I want a referral?
Basically, like currently, like I'm going to LinkedIn and trying to apply as many as I can. And I've reached to some of the people and asking them, like, are you like happy if you would refer me? Like they say yes.
They say yes.
LinkedIn. So
okay.
Yeah, so they say yes. A lot of people are accepting that. They are not denying that. Just I'm asking. I'm having experience in this. I'm liking. I would like to apply for data science internship. I found this position in your company. Could you please help me to refer this? Yeah, sure. They are helping me out. I reached out to some, I think 3 people, so 2 people are happily accepted that, and I applied last week, so hoping I would hear good from the company.
Yeah, the internship stress, like internship stress is like very, very much, because when other people getting the internship but you are not, so it constantly builds up the pressure.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, that is also one criteria, and because they, I think, don't know exactly what they are checking. They're checking the project or they're checking just the job description and how they are passing the resume. We are not sure, because all the companies are automating using the resume parser.
I think that is why I don't make a video on internship, because when you go into Google, you did not do something extraordinary, and when you don't go into Google, you're not like making any mistakes. So like we don't know like what is exactly happening here, because people that land into big companies, they are also like following the same process as we do, just applying and then they are shortlisted. I think it's about luck here, like if your resume gets picked up or not.
The luck factor is also there. So it's not like that, like a big company or small company. Basically, like once we get, then we can move on from there. As we have some projects, at least maybe they are looking for some sort of experience in the data science. Maybe if we just get into some company, at least after 1 or 2 years building everything, then you can just try to apply for very big companies, big tech companies. It's like maybe like what my suggestion is, like if we work in the startup companies, we'll get a good exposure in that. Like you'll be taking the decisions, and there will be very less people around you in the project, and you all will be taking you all will be acting as a stakeholders in that. You will be responsible for that, so you'll be very good involved in that. In big tech companies, how it's like, so there are some stories are there. They will be assigning each story to you, so that you're predefined to that story itself. Like you can go beyond that, but you don't have time in that. Like they'll be assigning that there are a lot of things in that to be clarified. So it's like bound to that sort of user story. So in startup companies, like they'll give you have to complete.
Got it.
So you have to come up with a plan and everything. You have to do that.
Got it. And my like second last question would be, what is the biggest struggle you have like come across when you're coming to the US, or when you landed in the US and you like did well in that phase of yours and like came out on top? So do you have any part of that which you are like super proud of, that hey, like something was not going right for me, but I still kept on going and eventually conquered it?
So basically, like when I came here, like there was some assignments need to be done, and so these things were there. And also I was concentrating on this, getting the graduate assistantship, and also I was concentrating on applying for some summer internships starting from September. I came in August, I started applying from September itself, because some people told me that you need to do it now. So like firstly I was so I took the subjects of fundamentals of data science and information retrieval, but I was not doing very good at that time, because I was concentrating many things, like applying for GA and applying for colleges and like going to college, and also like firstly when I came here, I was very tough to find the accommodation. Like 1 month it's been very tough. Like I stayed in somewhere, and then so there were lots of problems in that. Then slowly, like after 2 months of time, then I started as internet is there, so I started browsing every subject, the information retrieval and the fundamentals of data science. I learned from that, and I did very good. I was proud of myself, because I have done very good in just in one and a half month. if you work hard, anything is possible. So I was thinking maybe I'll fail in this subject. That was situation in the first 1.5 months. Then I came out of that, and now I'm doing some coding questions and machine learning. So currently I have machine learning subject. So I'm doing some algorithms and applying them. Currently I'm doing one project called probabilistic programming, where we used to solve the problem. So currently I'm doing research in that. I'm happy so that maybe it will take me to the next level.
Got it. And I think that is the struggle which we all face. Like I also nearly I was looking at my classes and I was looking that, hey, I might fail this because when you come to the US, a lot of things on your mind and you're not able to do that. Then you start performing bad, classes, and then the internship strategies. So everything is going crazy here. So I think that's a very good thing. And I think the viewers listening to this will be super motivated by listening that, hey, anything is achievable if you work hard. And one last thing I wanted to ask is the people or students who want to come to the US, do you have any last tips for them? Any personal or academic tips which you want to give, which they can benefit from?
Yes, sure. Yeah, sure. So if you're coming to the computer science, so what I would suggest is learn some programming language. Maybe Python is the most popular thing. Maybe you can learn Python or Java and start lead code problems. So if you are good at that, then the big tech companies, how they are taking is they are checking your lead code or any hacker rank or any problem solving. This is the main strategy they are taking, because in the big tech companies there are some 7 rounds. In those 7 rounds, out of there may be 4 or 5 out of 7 are the coding questions. So if you have very good knowledge on the data structures and these logical questions, so you'll be very good to that. So when you are coming here, maybe start before 1 or 2 months or 2.5 months prior to that would be very helpful. So start doing problems in the lead code or hacker rank or interview or Scalar Academy. There are so many kind of things available in the internet. So first try to learn one programming language, Python or Java or .NET, one of the object-oriented programming language. Then just start doing the questions and parallelly learn the data structures. So data structures is the most important part to get a very good job in the big tech companies, because all the things are based on the data structures and algorithms. So firstly, I would ask you, all of you, to learn one of the object-oriented programming language and data structures. Then start doing the lead code problems. If you do the lead code problems, I think you can do any problem, whatever the situation or whatever the program you get in the interview. You'll feel very comfortable and you'll do that and you'll be getting very good job. Because the resume also, how they are checking is I think they're checking the lead code problems and how much problems you have completed and what is the rating you have got till now. So those things they are checking. So I think this is the 90% chance you will be getting a job. No doubt in that. So data structure is the most important thing. So I would suggest just do this thing. That's all. Nothing is more than this. Problem solving.
Got it.
So this is the first thing you can do.
Yeah, I think.
And maybe.
Go on.
Yeah. So this is related to the computer science or any other field. And also coming to data science also, maybe do something learn the machine learning algorithms and do the problem solving in the Kaggle, so that this also add weightage to your getting your skills up, and maybe you can fetch a very good job.
Got it. Extremely well curated tips you gave here, and I think the students will be benefiting from this. And do you mind if I put your LinkedIn profile in the description of the YouTube video? People can reach out to you if they want.
Yeah, sure. You can keep. I'm happy to help them. I'm very happy.
So
for
anyone
that.
Who is listening right now, if they want to go to University of Memphis or MS Data Science, they can reach out to you if they have any queries.
Yes.
Got.
Yes. Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time today, Sai. And I think it really means a lot to me and my viewers. And I think the conversation was great. And thank you so much for giving your time today.
Yeah, thank you so much, and thank you for hosting me. So I got to learn about you, and this is also a great platform to express myself.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sai. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Bye-bye.